friends, and welcome to my video. My name is Jen. If this is your first time here, welcome. I do lots of clothing unboxing videos. In fact, that is all I do. I do some styling services and some shopping hauls, and for the styling services I do some of the well-known ones like Stitch Fix to some of the ones nobody's ever heard of. Well, okay, very few people have heard of. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below because I would love to have you around. If you are returning, thank you for watching my videos, and I really appreciate your support. So I don't say that enough, and I mean it. I very much appreciate your support. Okay, that's my intro. Let's get into it. First of all, it is 6:20 in the morning. This is my second video I'm filming this morning. I do all my filmings in the morning and even my editing in the morning before I go to work. So I get up pretty early, but so does my husband. So it's actually kind of nice because I will kind of wake up when he does and get up and work on my videos. So anyways, I don't know why I shared it was early in the morning. I guess if I've got sleepy eyes, that would be why. So today I am doing a Trendsend unboxing video. This is my second box. My first box was good. I didn't feel anything like super exciting or super special about it, but it was good. I liked it. As I'm trying different boxes, I like to try each box at least twice because I think you get a better feel for how it is. I mean, really, if you want to try a box, you probably try several because a lot of these have stylists that are trying to get to know your style and things like that. But I don't have the money for that. So most of these I'm going to just try a couple of times and then we'll see. So Trendsend is by a store called Evereve, and they have stores in malls and things like that, but they also send out these Trendsend boxes. What it is 2 to 3 full outfits a month, which I love a fully styled outfit. And again, like most of the other subscription services, you just keep what you like, send back what you don't like, and they only charge you for what you keep. I believe you have like 5 days to make your decision. And that's the main, oh, and there's no styling fee. So that's always an awesome one. So it's basically a risk-free box. You can send back everything if you don't want it and you're not at all charged for it. So that's a huge benefit to this. So let's go ahead and get in. I think right here, this is always my favorite moment where I cut open the box, because in my mind, in these boxes is going to be the best clothing of all time. Now, usually, sometimes I'm like genuinely, that's how I feel about the box, but most of the times I'm just like disappointed because everything costs like $1 million and, you know, I don't know. But anyways, it's always just so exciting to open up these boxes. So, let's go ahead. And in here, basically they bundle up each outfit, so I will go through each bundle, but I will say they do give you the mailer to send back what you're not going to keep, and I believe they use USPS, which I always like because the post office is literally a bike ride away, or if it's not too big, I just stick out my mailbox, which is awesome. And then they always send you like a note about the outfit and how to style it and whatnot. So it's usually pretty long, so I just give you the highlights of what the stylist said as I am trying on the pieces. So let's go ahead with bundle 1 here. Okay, we have, what do we have here? Ooh. It's just this long sleeve shirt, blue. It's looks kind of has a worn look to it on the edges here. It's kind of like a sweatshirt, but nicer, I would say. And it is super cute though. I really like this. So that's a very cute top. It has a decent amount of thickness for upcoming fall and winter. So I'm really excited about these styling boxes moving more towards fall and winter things. It's like I'm good on summer clothes, and I'm past good on summer clothes. So it's nice to start switching up seasons. And then we have a pair of pants here. I'd call them dress pants, but I can't figure out. I guess they're denim. I guess they're denim, and they are cut here at the bottom, kind of a pretty rough cut here. And they are pull on, so there are no buttons here in the front, so they're kind of more of a legging. But they do have no pockets in the front, but they do have pockets here in the back. So that's a cute outfit. Like it. Okay, next up, I see stripes. I always loved stripes. We have a dress, a striped dress. It is V-neck front and V-neck back, and you have stripes going different directions around the trims of it. I guess I'd call this maybe a shift dress based off of the shape. It just looks huge. I don't know why this looks so huge, but it does. We'll see once it's on. It's a nice thick material though. So I do like that. So we'll try it on. I'm just not quite sure why it's so massive or why it looks so big. Okay, our last outfit. Okay, we have this cami that just has lace around the edges and lace on the back here, and then what's this? It's almost like a sweatshirt cardigan, I would say. It has a drape front here and a ruffle sleeve, I would say, here. Okay, well that's interesting, but it's very much like a sweatshirt material. So it's a nice casual cardigan, I could see. And then we have jeans that are just kind of a skinny jean here, and it looks like it's got this stripe. I doubt you guys can see this on the camera, but it does have a stripe down the side where it's a little bit darker than the rest of the jean. It's pretty subtle, I would say. So, okay, I'm excited to try these. Okay, let's try on our outfits. First outfit, I love this top. It is comfortable, it is nice and thick, fits well, the sleeves aren't crazy long, love it. The leggings are cute. I have no complaints about them. They're even really not too long. They're a good length. The stylist says to pair them with a cute pair of booties, which I don't have. I should get a pair of booties sometime. I really like the outfit. I think it's cute. The black pants I probably will not keep because I have a very similar pair of jean leggings, pull on like this, black with the cutoff end, that actually have some distressing in them that I got from Old Navy. So I really don't need these, but if the price is right of this top, it'll definitely be a keeper. I don't know if I do this all the time. It's like, I just don't know how to talk on camera, and this is how Camera Jen talks. She just clasps her hands a lot, but I don't do this in my real life at all. Anyways, okay, next outfit. Okay, so this dress, as I suspected, just feels big. I also not really care for the silhouette of it because it's just kind of, I'm not a big shift dress person because it doesn't have a lot of shape to it. So this isn't something I would even try to size down because it just kind of for me. Now the stylist did say that you could throw on this cardigan with it, so I thought I would try that. Oh, okay, that makes it actually worse. I'm not wearing this, people. Nope, not gonna wear this. Okay, all right, so let's try on the third outfit. Okay, here is our third outfit. So let's start at the bottom. Okay, the jeans I think are cute. I do actually like the stripe down the side. I think that's an interesting detail. These are actually straight leg instead of a skinny. I wasn't sure what seemed different about them, but yeah, they're straight leg. I did have to roll them, put a roll on them, but you can do that with a straight leg, and I think they're cute. I like them. They're very different than anything I have. I mean, I don't need any more jeans, but I don't know, I might keep these. So the sweatshirt cardigan, I mean, we all know this does nothing for me. It would keep me decently warm, and that's literally all it has going for me. So it doesn't even have pockets. So this is just not my style, but it's fine. And then the lace cami, I'll take this off so you can see it. Love the color of it. Love the lace detail here at the top. What I don't love is it does seem, you know, a little bit big overall. I know it's supposed to be loose, but even in the armholes they're big, but not that I'd wear it by itself. I wouldn't. So I'm not sure about this one. It's just not the greatest fit, but I do love the color of it and think it would look great under some blazers. I just wish it was a little bit smaller, but this may be if the price is right. Which brings me to, let's go over the prices. Okay, so first of all, just a little note from the stylist. She says, "Hi Jennifer, I had so much fun styling your box for you today. It is full of classic pieces that you can easily incorporate into your existing wardrobe. Keeping in mind your preferences, I chose pieces that are budget friendly and versatile." So thank you for budget friendly. I put that on literally every note for every box because truly the cheaper the better for me. So have fun trying everything on. Let me know how it all works for you. And then, like I said, she goes through each top to kind of talk about how to style them. Most of them this time were to wear them with booties or the striped dress. She mentioned you know, you could dress it down with sneakers, or again, you could go with wedges or booties. Okay, prices. Now, first of all, wow, super affordable stuff. Literally, everything is under $30 except for one thing that's $50. That is fantastic. I got a notification that they were starting to sell my box right after Ever Eve finished its sale. You know, I'm kind of hoping that maybe I'd still get, you know, some sale prices even though I missed the sale. And maybe it appears that I did, so that is exciting. Okay, so let's go through each piece. So first, this is the Lillian Ruffle Sleeve Sweatshirt by Allison Joy. It is $19.99. So I will not be keeping this. As you saw when I tried it on, I just don't feel like it does anything for me. It's not my style. Okay, next up, this is the Lace Cami. In blush, it is $29.99. And then we have, this is called the Road Trip Long Sleeve, and I'm pretty sure this was my favorite item in the box. Loved it. And it is $24.99. So yeah, I'm keeping it. It's comfortable, it's cute, it's mine. Next is the Easy Goes It. These are the black leggings from the first outfit. This is by Free People, and it is $59.99 on sale from it used to be $58. And then we have the jeans that I have on with the straight down the side. It is the Bailey Mid-Rise Straight Jean, and it is from Level 99. And originally $105, marked down to $30. Ooh, that's a good price. That's a good price. So we'll see about that one. I'm really on the edge about keeping these jeans. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. Help me make a decision. I don't have any straight leg jeans. You know, they're all skinny. I kind of like the look of it. It's something different. So I don't know. I mean, I just don't need any jeans, but then it's like, man, if these were originally 105 and I'm getting them for 30. Oh, I don't know. Okay, last one is the Ella striped shift dress by Skyzer Blue, $29.99. Let's see if it is on sale from a different price. Yes, originally $78, on sale for $29.99. I will not be keeping this because it just was not very cute on me. So, pass. Okay, that's it. So, again, I have 5 days to decide what I want to keep. I check out online and send back in the mail or anything I don't want to keep. I think my winners are the level 99 jeans. I need them. I don't need them. I want them. And this shirt I keep talking about, kind of a weird amount. I like this a little bit too much. So, I am impressed with my second Transcend, mostly the prices. I liked what they sent me. Most of the stuff that I'm not keeping is just out of, I don't really need it. You know, I liked it. I liked most of the stuff in here. The prices, I'm still kind of shocked at this. I feel like every time I get an affordable box, it makes me like Stitch Fix less, because all these items were less than 30 bucks, and I've obviously never received anything from Stitch Fix that was less than 30 bucks. I rarely get anything that's less than 50 bucks. So that's amazing. Thank you to my stylist, Angela P. from Transcend. You did an amazing job. I'm really happy with the stuff that I'm keeping. And I put my link below if you are interested in trying Transcend. I had a really good time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, and we will see you in my next box. Okay, thanks.